There's something special about working with wood. It connects us to nature. Each piece of wood is unique. Wood has been used for centuries to make things. From simple toys to beautiful furniture, the possibilities are endless. When you build something with your hands, it means more. You put care and skill into it. It's a great feeling to hold a finished project. Woodworking is a craft anyone can enjoy. Before you start building, gather your tools and materials. You'll need some basic woodworking tools. A saw, chisel, hammer, and sandpaper are essential. Safety glasses and a dust mask are important for protection. Choosing the right wood is key for your air jet. Look for hardwoods like cherry or maple. They are strong and look beautiful. You'll need a block of wood for the body of the jet. Now let's build the air jet. Start by drawing your design on the wood block. Cut out the shape of the jet using a saw. Be sure to follow your lines carefully. Next, carve out the details of your jet. Use a chisel to shape the wings, tail, and nose. Sand everything smooth, rounding the edges. Your air jet is ready for takeoff. Working with tools requires caution. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. A dust mask is important when cutting or sanding wood. Keep your fingers away from sharp blades. If you're unsure about a step, ask for help. Working with wood should be enjoyable and safe. By following these tips, you can create beautiful woodworking projects for years to come.